Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to episode 7 of the Rabbit Build. This is going to be part 2 of the DIY patina series. In this episode, I'm going to be sealing in the rust with some boiled linseed oil. And I'm going to mix it with a little bit of mineral spirits to make it a little bit easier to spread on the car. I'm not sure if I want to keep this forever. I might end up matte coating it, but for now this will do. Alright, I'm going to go 1 part mineral spirits. To about 10 parts boiled linseed oil. So this is flammable, and so will be the rags. So you got to make sure you dispose of the rags properly and contain this properly, store it properly. Alright, so I'm going to take some microfiber towels and wipe the whole car down. Added a little bit of sheen to it, but it was not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I'm going to wait 24 hours. I'm going to wipe it down with a cloth one more time, and then I think it should be good for now. Alright, so it's the next day and I'm wiping the excess off, and I'm kind of thinking maybe I should have wiped it down a little bit better yesterday because some parts of it are pretty sticky and I don't know. I'm not too sure about this. It's gonna work for now and keep it from rusting even more, but I'm glad it's temporary because I might try something else a little bit further down the road. It smells like old chicken grease or something. I don't know.
Old fry oil.
Yeah, and that's what it feels like too.
That's what it kind of looks like.
It's really greasy and weird.
Yummy.
I don't know. It'll do for now.
Think if we throw some flour at it and run it hard enough, it'll batter itself?
Maybe. Let me go down. looks pretty decent, but it overall has this wet look and smells like fried chicken, so I'm really not that into it. I'm glad it's not permanent. I think I might end up just matte clear coating it in the end, but for now it's going to keep it from rusting anymore, so I'm at least happy about that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I will find a better solution than this. I think I'm going to focus on pulling out my engine and cleaning out the engine bay soon. I think that's going to be my focus for the next few months. Hit me up on Instagram, comment here. My name is EuroKevin on every social media platform. Thanks again for watching. Peace out.